Welcome back to the channel, everyone. What do we have here? This was just dropped off by FedEx. $50S street tire. What could this be? Today we're gonna unbox and reveal, do a little unboxing video, and show you this new toy that we have for the channel. It's gonna be a start of a whole new adventure, and I'm excited to take you guys along. So the wait is finally over. It's here. Some of you already know what's going on. So let's dive in. The official unboxing of Begode A1. It was delivered in this little box. Looks like it's very well protected. So we're going to dive in on this side. We are greeted with a certificate of conformity. Very nice. November 2024. We've got a manual. Looks like a nice design. We've got an Allen key tool. Looks like European or American charger plugs. Let's dive in. I guess this has to be the little charger cord. But, it's so tiny. Kind of cute. Look at this charger, guys. It's got this small little 3-pin plug. Looks like it's nice quality, but look how big it is. I appreciate that. I wish they would make all the chargers this size, really. Now the big surprise. The big reveal. Very well packaged. And here it is. Check it out. It's beautiful, guys. It's got nice pedals. It's only got 180 watt hours, so it's got small little pads on the side here. And then we got the on button in there. That's going to be hard to get in there with the glove. I can already feel that. It's got a nice little 14-inch street tire. And even for this price, my goodness, this is a very nice quality wheel. The foot pegs feel nice and solid. This is acrylic material, so looks like it's nice and durable. We've got an 80-70-10 tire, 15 by 3.15. You can see this is what that looks like. We've got a little valve stem in here. The wheel spins very nicely. Got the Begode made in China. Got a little speaker here, and we got the little Begode LED light in the back. Very excited to check it out. We have a nice little kickstand on the back. We put some rubber pads so you can set it over. It feels solid enough, like it's not going to fall over. Quite a solid headlight, really. Let me check it out. it's going to be pretty bright when the charger goes in here. So what are you going to say? Let's turn it on. So check out those lights. Beautiful. So we're going to gear up and take it for a little spin, guys. Very cool. I like how it's got a little purple button up here. Different, but cool. And then it's got a red button in there. Very exciting. All right. We'll take you for a spin soon here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Begode A1 in the house. This is going to be a great summer.